Regular True News viewers know all about the Internet of Things network of smart devices collecting and sharing data about their users. But one young man is determined to expose the gaping security holes in the gadgets and technology devices that make up the IoT.
Fly it, I can do basically anything I want.
This 13-year-old has hacked a common consumer drone to expose yet another vulnerability of the so-called Internet of Things, the emerging market for your smart, web-connected devices from wristwatches to your refrigerator and thermostat. In this stunt at a cybersecurity conference, Ruben Paul was able to fly the drone, access its camera and its data. Military-grade devices already exist to block and in some cases hijack drones. But Paul was able to do this show from his laptop. He says the drone had limited security protocols. And Paul said the real worry is how quickly and easily someone could retrieve sensitive information from any of your devices.
These protocols and these technologies are not only limited to the drone, it's limited to the entire Internet of Things. And the Internet of Things is just a network of connected physical devices through an Internet protocol. So your smart homes, your smart devices, your smart toys, all of this is connected. And this is the technology that's going to be going into future devices such as autonomous cars, flying cars, things like this. So if we don't secure it now, then connectivity without controls can become catastrophic.
Cybersecurity providers estimate there are 7 billion Internet-connected devices in the world, and they expect that number to rise, including the popularity of Internet-reliant smart devices.
Well,